we're looking at this is a video from Vimeo, Garmin Phoenix watch. It's just an example that I use for the sound composing. So let's see what I have made. Sound effects. So drums with 808. Here's a part that she is running. We can have a look for what we can do there. Maybe some background noises or percussion. I have Native Instruments Percussionist. It's a new library from, I think, this year. Yeah, this year. It's a very nice plugin. You have so much to choose on. Okay, it's ending over here, I think. Yes. Okay. We can use this loop from 5 seconds. Okay. I have the sound effect separate, so we can use that for the feeling. Okay, why doesn't it work? Why can I go to the other? Maybe you have to, if you open it like a separate plugin, it's better. Okay, audio track, instrument track. Okay, Percussionist. Where is Percussionist? Native Instruments. This is so handy with the filters in Ableton Live 12. It's much faster. So where is it? Oh, it's in Kontakt 7, of course. Okay, here. Percussionist, where is it? Oh, where's Percussionist? Oh yeah, session Percussionist, so. Okay, this is much better. The overview is much better. Ambient. Oh, this is nice. Rolling. Oh, okay. This looks mysterious. This is nice. Maybe if you so duplicate this one and maybe some kind of sound effects on it, maybe it'll look more mysteriously. Oh, it's just one sample. Maybe 2 times. Oh, you don't hear it. Maybe a synth. Oh. Let's take a look. Of course, Diva. Jeez, my ears are bleeding. It's too hard. Okay. Why so hard? Oh, it's a ARP. Okay. We don't want to do that. Nope. Ooh. This one is nice, but not for this. This one side sounds nice. Gonna record it. I just want to quantize it, but not too much. Yeah, I want the humanized feeling of it. This sounds nice. Maybe a raw bass on it. Okay, yeah. Where's options? Where's the delay? Yeah, we did by monitoring. Yeah. Okay. Compression on it, midly aggressive. and the detectator. So where is it? Soundtoys. Oh, not here. Soundtoys. Oh, huh? Also not here. Okay. Soundtoys. Yeah, here. Oh, this sounds raw. Some EQs on it. Not too much, but for the low end, 25. Bass mono, yeah. We're gonna look from the beginning. Maybe without this. Okay, yeah. For now it sounds okay.